Little Kingdom.
Hello kids, welcome to Little Kingdom. Today we are going to learn the small cursive letter H. Children, this is H. The sound of this letter is H. Now practice time. Children, we are going to practice the small cursive letter H using our finger. This is small cursive letter H. The sound of this letter is H. The sound of this letter is H. Children, we are going to trace the small cursive letter H using a crayon. This is small cursive letter H. Children, now we are going to write the small cursive letter H in the 4-line note. H. 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 Children, this is H. The sound of this letter is H. The sound of this letter is H. H. The sound of this letter is H. Thank you, children.